So the prices for the calling card starts at 150 pesos per 100 up, depends on your quality of paper and the printing, how many colors. So back here in Junquera, so you can see what it looks like now. All the shoe repairs are here. Patanawa ko na buwan na doon. Espaso. Matanaw ko ni mo sir kay murag master kay ka sir. He's repairing shoes by his hands. Dugay na kay ka naghimuan na sir? Pila na ka katuig na ngay patos? 30 years? So over 30 years he's been sewing shoes here. Sa una, daplin lang.
Nangamor ko muna.
Pilay bayad na inana.
Ano siya ma'am? 120 lang pala pa.
So for a pair of shoes to be sewn up like this is 120 pesos. Zipper. If you have zipper problems with your bags, 80. Change zipper.
Magmalang ko ha. Magmalabuntag. Lagi.
Ha?
Magmalang. Init yun, ulat. 40 na init siguro ano?
Paningot lagi ko diri maayo. Maayo sa kagpayong. Pilay payong.
40 kagaran.
So they also fix umbrella, belts, bags, shoes. Umbrellas 40 pesos. Bags starts at 80. Zippers for bag. But any more complicated like changing the handles will be of course additional more. Hapon na lang.
Hapon na lang siguro eh. Mga kuan, mga alas dos ba?
Lain si Chef style dong no.
Lalaki na lang niya ma'am.
Oh,
Lalaki.
imo ha.
Babae man eh.
Ang babae. So he's repairing ladies shoes. And this one men's shoes. Dili di ipapilit yung kuan dong sole. Kana pili pa nga mo inana gang.
Usar.
So it's 80 pesos for shoes if you have it sewn up. Gilisan mo ang lapalapa sir? So they have to replace the sole where you step on. Pila na sa 80?
Ano siya? 120.
120. So that's included with the 120 sewn up to the sole. Change the sole. And then they smoothen it out. So I'm just showing you all the different people's enterprise here in Colon Street. This is Junquera Street. So he's smoothing out the edges on it now. Asa ko no sir, tanawon ko no na to sir. all that work for 120 pesos. So sa kaadlaw pila ka book sapatos imong maayo sir?
Tipon-tipon lang. Sana tuma kuan pila kadalan mga ano. Na 40 ko, 30.
Sa usa ka adlaw?
Oh, sa matipon-tipon lang ang kuan.
So his regular finishing is like 30 pairs of shoes a day. That's his normal finish job for the day. Trabaho ka diri mga unsang orasa sir?
Kahit ma'am.
6 o'clock in the morning? Hantod 10 p.m. So he works from 6 to 10 p.m. So he's still nailing the shoes. Nya butangan pa na.
Kahit una.
And then they level it out. So doing that for the 2 pairs, only 120 pesos. So now he's gonna sew it up now because it was ordered double.